Hello friends, welcome back to my channel again. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can cut your stylish shift fitted dress. This is the Ankara I'm going to use. My scissors, my curving ruler, my tape and my chalk. The Ankara have logo. I'm going to follow the logo design. The logo, this is the logo. As you can see, I want the logo to stand. I want it to stand. This side will be my starting point because of the logo. The length I'm going to use for the dress is 45. I will add one seam allowance. That will make it 46. 46. This is my 46. I will get my half length measurement. My half length measurement is 15. I will use 8 inch for the armhole. This is the half length, and this is my armhole. The back I'm using is 18. I will divide the back by 2. 18 divided by 2, that gives me 9. This is my 9. I will connect it down to the armhole. I will go in by 1 inch. I will connect with my free hand. You can use your curve ruler. The neck I'm going to use is round neck. I will use the wideness 3. I will come down by 4 inch. As I said earlier, that I'm going to use round neck, so I will connect. I will curve it from this side. From the neck side, I will measure half inch for my shoulder slope. You can use 1, but I normally prefer half inch. I will connect it to my neck side. I will measure my bust measurement. The bust measurement I'm using is 42. 42 divided by 4 is 10 and a half. 10 and a half. I will chop 10 and a half. I will divide my waist measurement. My waist measurement is 40. I will divide it by 4, which is 10. I will get my hip point. The hip point I will be using is 21 inch and a half. I will mark it. The hip I'm working with is 48. 48 divided by 4 is 12. Is 12. I will chop 12. I will connect. I will add my seam allowance. I will use 2 inch for seam allowance. The cloth will be a little bit free, but I will add zip at the back. My bust, I added 2 inch for seam allowance. My waist, I will add 2 also. My hip, I will add 2 inch also for my seam allowance. I will connect with my ruler. Chop it down. Can you see it? So after that, I will cut it. I will cut it out. After cutting out the front piece, I paste to cut out my back piece. This is my back piece. I have cut it out. The neck I use for the back piece is still round neck. I come down by 1.5 inch. I added 2 inch for my zip allowance. I want to add zip to my own. I added 2 inch zip allowance. I will add lace at the front of my fabric. I want to add lace at the front. At the front of my fabric. So I will paste it. After pasting, I will cut it out. I will cut it out. I will follow my armhole. I'm washing it so that I will not do mistake. I will go ahead, remove the neck. I will remove the shoulder slope. After that, I will use my ruler to shape the down. Like that. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. This will be at the front piece of my fabric. It will be like this. Can you see it? It will be like this. After I will paste this at the middle. I used 2.5 inch and I folded it together. Sew it. That is what you are seeing. So after I join this my lace, I will paste this at the middle. At the middle. I can decide to bring it down, or I will end it here where the lace end. So after that, I will cut the facing of my back. I will slit my back, cut the facing, join it. I have had my lace at the front of fabric, and I have also sewn these 2-inch that I cut, I joined together. It's at the middle, you can see it. And I cut out 1 inch that I use and pipe the neck. Instead of bias, I use the fabric to sew the neck. And I have joined the back zip allowance and also the facing. This is the facing, you can see it. And this is the zip allowance. It's joined together. And I left 3 inch. It will carry open at the back. And my down part is also sewn. I have sewn it, and this is the opening. What I will do next, I will sew the back. I will sew the back like this. I will sew it. After sewing it, I will put pockets. It will carry inner pocket. I measure my half length from the shoulder. From my shoulder I get 15. That is my half length. So that is where I will attach my pocket. I'm using lining because my fabric is not enough. So I will use lining for the pocket. I measure 15 half length. From the half length, I will get 8. From half length, I will measure 8. That is where my pocket will stop. You can see it. And also, I have cut my sleeve. I will use straight sleeve. This is the sleeve. This is my sleeve that I cut. And I have sewed the down part with 1 inch. This is it. So I cut out 2.5 inch that I sewed together. I will put kissing print at the middle of this my sleeve. I will put kissing print. Kissing print. I will first of all iron this. After ironing it, I will put kissing print at the middle of it. Sew my pocket and sew the back zip, the down part of it, the open. I will come back and show you how it looks like. I have joined my pockets. As you can see it, I have joined it, and also the back. Join, and the slit at the back is also, I have sewn it. You can see it. It's so, and I have go ahead and do my kissing print at the middle of my sleeve. Can you see that? I have joined the both. So what remains for me now is to go ahead and join my shoulder. I will join my two shoulder together, the front and back. I will go and join it. Also join this side. After joining, I will join the two sides and pull zip. My clothes is ready.